This is
Yeah, we do it. Hello.
Hi.
Work on your van.
Nice to meet you.
Oh, thank you.
Thank you. I'm Nikki.
I'm Linda.
I'm Rocco.
Hi, Rocco.
Hi, I'm Nikki. Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Look at the door though. Look at the door.
Very
Look,
good.
Come on in.
look what they did here. This is so, the door. Look at the door. This is so exciting. Oh my gosh. It's so great. I'm so tired. I might just start hysterically crying. Rocco, look.
I think the van came out beautiful. I think they're going to be really happy.
I finally have my own space to work, which I haven't had in like a
What's
long
down there?
time.
It's very functional, it's very livable, but very unique.
This is so exciting. Oh my gosh.
Go ahead, pop that door open. Take the shower out.
I started sending different pictures of shower head, and every time I send something to Kim, he would say, nope, it's not going to work, it's not going to work. It needs to have a shut-off valve, and I'm not a plumber. I look at the beauty of it, and finally we found one, and Kim said, okay, we can use this. So I think Nikki's going to be really happy with this one.
I can take a shower and sit down at the same time.
The backsplash. Instead of just having it fill the whole space, we decided to do it almost like a mountain effect in the back of the counter space.
Excited for Rocco to make everything smell like fried onions. But we have a window, so it'll be good. It's so nice. It's so pretty. We named the van Pots because we like making pot pies, so that now we can like make pies in pots. Pots pies. Rocco likes it because he can say like pots instead of pots and pans. It's like pots and pans. I definitely was nervous. I didn't think that. I mean, I knew that it would look good, but I think it looks better than I thought it was going to look.
Yeah.
And the shower is fantastic.
Came out way better than I expected. I think they really nailed everything that we were looking for.
It's just enough that it's not basic. It's just what I told Kathleen I was looking for. Big thanks to the entire team. It looks so good. Shout out to Linda and Kathleen who nailed the aesthetic. Nailed the aesthetic we were looking for.
Yeah.
It's like the whole van is very thoughtful and it's 100% what we wanted. So big thank you. We're very excited to live in it full time and to downsize all of our belongings out of our lives.